How to withdraw crypto from Kraken to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw cryptos from Kraken to bank account. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then log in into your account. So once you're logged into your Kraken account, this is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So after you're logged into your Kraken account, and click the withdraw button on the home page located right at the bottom. Next page, ensure you are on the withdraw tab in the new page. So the first drop down menu will be pre-populated with your available cryptos. If you wish to withdraw a different crypto, then select the crypto you wish to withdraw from the drop down menu. So after that, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw or click the percentage of your account balance in that specific currency. Now you'll need to double check that all of the information is correct and then click the withdrawal button. After the withdrawal is successful, you'll see a confirmation with your withdrawal details in the recent transaction box as well as the transaction tab. So that's basically how you can withdraw or send cryptos from Kraken to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.